So hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So in this video we are going to thank you for the 108 guys who have supported us for reaching the 108 subscribers to our YouTube channel. And thank you once again guys for the reaching 108 subscribers and helping me. And we have covered the content like the Python, SQL, and the C programming and the computer networking, and simultaneously we are working on the another contents like we have made the recently videos on the top 5 languages we have to learn and how to earn money using the freelancing and so on. We have made too many videos. Right now we have 107 videos on our channel, and you can expect the things like next video we are going to cover like top 10 AI tools. And thank you once again guys for getting me 108 subscribers, and see you in the next video guys.